Hi, Matt Capell here, Meridian, Idaho. I'm with Capell Flooring and Interiors. Hey, I just like to give quick tips when purchasing flooring. So this tip applies to laminate wood or anything that clicks together. So there's luxury vinyl planking that clicks together, different floors like that. And so what that does is, if you look really closely here, there's kind of a tongue and a groove, and it clicks together. You don't nail it, you don't glue it, you don't staple it. And it's what we call a floating floor. And if you look at this one, it's gray and really pretty. We sell a lot of this. That's a nice looking floor. But because it is a floating floor, you do need to leave some space along the edges for expansion and contraction depending on what time of year it is. And you also need to we could ask this question: can I install my cabinets on top of my laminate wood or my click together product? And the answer is no. That will actually void your warranty, and so I do not recommend it because it makes it so the floating floor has issues with expanding and contracting. Also, if you cut it too close to the wall, it can cause peaking and buckling because if it moves, it'll come too close to the wall, and then because it's a floating floor, it will peak up. So those are just some tips that you need to make sure, if you're doing it yourself, that you read the instructions before you install it, and just make sure that you do that. Another tip too is when you're installing from row to row, when you have the end seams here, you want to leave an adequate gap between the rows. So like this seam right here, you wouldn't want it right there because that creates instability and a bad install. So this has good spacing here. If it were like right here, that would be bad. So those are just a few things with floating floors that I wanted to let you know. And if you have any other questions about them, we sell a lot of luxury vinyl, a lot of laminate wood, and we'd love to sell you some. So if you have any questions, just comment below, give us a call. I'll respond to anything, and hope you're having a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Thanks.